Hi everyone! So we're back here at the apartment. I just quickly want to share with you the things that I got for my birthday this year. So I just turned 27 today. So I'm so happy. This is by so far the best birthday I ever had. Kasi mas na-feel ko yung love and na-appreciate ko lahat ng um, my family. So, wala na iiyak ako. Mag-umpisa na tayo dito muna sa Lululemon that I got. Ito naman, this first one, I got it on sale actually. So, sa sale rack ko lang siya nakuha. It's a leggings from Lulu. This is my favorite, the Align one. Ayan. Kasi maganda yung quality niya. Super soft. And it's perfect lang sa height ng gusto ko, which is the 25 inches. Tapos wala pa akong ganitong color din ng leggings from Lulu. So, kinuha ko siya. Parang ang thick ng texture niya for this one. And then, the next one I got from Lulu is this sports bra. Ayan. Kasi we are on the active na mag-training, mag-lifting, and everything. So, kumuha lang tayo nitong anong tawag dito? Tank top or sports bra from Lulu. Ayan. Para lang maiba tayo. So, this is the only two that I got from Lulu. But, I got a big bag from it. Next one is from Uniqlo. So, this one, supposedly, wala naman talaga akong bibilin. Pero, I ended up buying anyway. So, this is the, what do you call this one? Women cotton relaxed ankle pants. So this is how it looks like. This is just the regular pants that you can wear. I feel like it's really comfy sa work kapag pag nag-office tayo. Straight pants lang siya na para siyang linen material. So kaya binili ko siya. The next one naman, actually this is for my hubby Chris. Binilang ko din siya ng short. My love, this is for you.
It's for me.
Yeah. I bought that for you.
Oh, thank you po, Baba.
You're welcome. It's okay.
Thank you, Baba.
You're welcome. So my sister, we went to Steve Madden to check some sandals and random stuff from Steve Madden. And, ayan, napabili tayo. Actually, this one, hindi rin ako dapat bibili nito. Pero, in-offer siya ng sister ko na siya rin yung bibili. So, nakalibre tayo dito. So, ito yung itsura niya. Super pretty. Parang siyang mandals. Mandals ba tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung, late na kami sa trend ng mga ganito. Pero this is how it looks like. Ang ganda ng texture niya kasi leather siya, guys. Leather. Parang hindi ko sure kung genuine leather siya. But, it's so comfy pag suot mo siya. So, I'm so excited to wear it this summer. And then, next one, this is actually from my friend Camille. She gifted me an advance birthday gift when the last time they were here in Edmonton. So, she pretty much asked me the things that I kind of like in the Dynamite store. And I didn't know that she's buying that for me. Pero hindi kasi ako a type of person na nag-fit ng damit. So, when I about to try yung isang damit na pinili ko, maliit siya sa akin. But, I ended up upgrading or lakihan yung size niya para mas classy at saka mas dressy look siya sa akin. And then, nag-change na rin ako ng color kasi siya parang siyang blue yung kuha ko sa kanya. Now, it's black. So, ganyan lang siya. Mukha siyang malaki, pero it's like a body hugging. Kaya maganda siya. Guys, nasuot ko na to sa aking birthday photo shoot. Ayan. So, this is just the yellow dress, the halter. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganyan. Super nice din nito. Super in love the color yellow lately. I've been loving the light yellow color for summer. Ayan. So, this is so nice too. And perfect length, by the way. So, ayan. Super nice. Thank you so much, moms, for these gifts. They're so nice. Another one pala that my sister got me is this Owala tumbler. Ayan. Ako kasi yung tipong person na hindi ako mahilig mag-straw. But this one has a straw and meron din siyang parang ano ba yun? Parang totonggain mo lang siyang ganyan. Kaya, sabi niya, bibili niya daw for me. So, it's free. So, let's take it. This is just the pink color ng Uwalag. So, the next one that I got for my birthday from my family is this Jo Malone. Ayan. Ang cute kasi nung time na pumunta kami yesterday, meron silang event na they have like a local artist in Edmonton, and then at the same time, they're celebrating something. So, they invited a local artist to paint their tote bag. And when you reach 150 purchase, you can get this tote. So, ayan, ang cute niya. Oh, may flowers siya dito. And it's a really good quality tote bag. So, I can definitely use this one as a bag for sure. So, this is the Jo Malone. Ayan. So, eto rin, pina-customize ko din siya, guys. Kasi nga, libre lang siya and it included nung time na pumunta kami sa Jo Malone. So, the big one that I got is, my 100 ml is the Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Ayan. So, as you can see, nilagyan siya ng Nectarine Blossom. Ayan. Kasi nga, customize siya. I'm super happy about this one. Ayan. And then once you spend a full bottle for the Jo Malone, they will give you a 30 ml for free. So, it's actually a good deal when the time we went there sa Jo Malone. So, I got the Peony and Blush Suede. So, ayan. Ito, hindi ko na pina-customize yung small one, pero pina-initial ko yung dito niya. Ayan. Para cute. Para may remembrance tayo. Next one naman, this one, it's from my mother-in-law. Hindi siya sunod-sunod, guys. Kung ano lang yung madampot natin. Ito naman, from my mother-in-law, bigay niya. This is from Anthropology. This, what do you call this one? Sleepwear. Ayan. I love the color. Tapos may touch siya ng pink. Alam ni Mama na I love pink. Kaya, ayan. Thank you so much, Ma. This is so nice and super convenient. We went to Alo. First time makikita ng asawa ko kung ano nabili ko sa Alo. So, tignan natin kung ano nabili natin sa Alo. By the way, guys, parehas kami ng sister ko nang binili kasi nga, we just wanted to have like a classic clothing from Alo. Kasi, you know, yung price nila, hindi siya joke, di ba? So, maganda nang you're just gonna grab something really basic. So, the first one we got is their everyday short. Right? It's nice, right? It's so thick, it's so soft. Ayan, meron lang siya ditong, nanap ko yung logo niya. Ayan lang yung logo niya, guys. Sa gilid lang yung kanyang logo na Alo. So, ayan lang. Perfect siya for running or lounging. Ayan. And then this one, I know mainit na, baby. Pero ang cute niya kasi, right? This is just a regular sweater. Yeah. And it's just have this Alo, ano rin, Alo na brand nila. Yan. Cute! Ang cute niya. I really, really love this one. And then, I think there's only couple left. But this is the gift that I got from my family. So, they got me a Birkenstock. So, they know that I've been wanting to buy a new pair. Kasi nga, yung meron din ako. It's actually from my sister. I don't usually buy Birkin kasi medyo pricey sila, guys. So, ayan. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan. This one is in a pink color. Ayan. Sabi ng brother ko, new release daw to ng pink. So, ayan. Ang cute! Siyempre, pink girly tayo. So, pink din yung ating Birkin. Super love, love, love. Ang ganda niya. Sobra. Ayan. And then next one, this is from my mother-in-law and Chris. So they gifted me an earrings. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya. Super dainty. Super dainty. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Kita nyo ba? Ang liit lang niya. Ang cute. Mahilig tayo sa mga gold earrings and hoop earrings. Pero super dainty. So, ayan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Bigay siya ng aking in-laws. Super love. Thank you so much, Mama and Grace. So, every year, guys, my family, kung sino man may birthday, may gift sila na cash. So, this time, ito yung cash ko. Nandito siya. Hindi ko na sasabihin, but nandito yung aking cash. And then, nandito din yung letter. Ayan, ang ganda. The last one that I got actually is from my husband na. Ayan. Ang cute nito. Gusto kong i-flex sa inyo itong card niya. Kasi meron siyang strawberry. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga berries. Dito talaga ako nag-return. Ayan na. Ang cute niya, diba? Nakalagay happy birthday. And then, meron din siya ditong berries. Ang cute. Binigay niya to sa akin, guys, pagkagising ko. Kaya, na-cute-cute talaga, guys. Siyempre, binigyan tayo ng asawa ko, guys, ng isang malakasan na DJI Osmo Pocket 3 lang naman po ang binigay niya. Grabe po, napaka-generous po ng asawa ko. Sabi ko, panaginip lang to kasi super mahal siya, guys. At hindi ko pa, yung pagbablog namin together, parang hindi pa siya consistent. So, parang hindi natin deserve. Pero, binigyan tayo ng asawa natin na to. Ayan. Super thank you, my love talaga. Ayan. Ayan. I can't wait to make some more memories with this tech na he got for us. Ayan. Oh, actually, the last but not the least, this is just a random stuff that my brother gifted me. Ayan, oh. And then, last na talaga to, guys. Eto, bigay din siya ng brother ko sa asawa ko. I-flex na lang din natin siya. Ayan. Sino ba to, my love?
Si Luffy.
Si Luffy siya. O, diba? Grabe. Alam mo, guys, I think this is galing sa Miniso.
Yeah, that's rare.
Very good quality. And it's a surprise box, by the way. So, it will come in this packaging. When you go to Miniso, it comes in this packaging, but definitely in one-piece version. Pero, tignan nyo, really good quality siya, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. This is the second time na nung hobby ko na nagkaroon ng one-piece collection. So, baka kumpletuhin na namin. O, diba? Ayan! Guys, that's everything for my birthday. And I'm so happy that I celebrated another year of this beautiful life. I also wanted to thank you, my family, for always being there with me and with my husband all the way, and to my in-laws, thank you so much for the love and support for both of us. And this is such an amazing birthday that I ever had, so this is so nice. And kanina nung pauwi na yung parents ko, hindi pa rin ako nasasanay na umuwi sila, so I cried, and first time syempre na celebrate yung birthday ko without yung alam mo yon, yung hindi na kayo magkakasama talaga. So malungkot na masaya kasi meron naman tayong asawa na laging nandito and very supportive sa atin. So, yun lang, guys. Super happy this year and wishing more good health and more blessing and soon a baby na rin to come. So, ayun. Thank you so much, guys, for watching for today's vlog. I wish, guys, na nabigyan ko kayo ng magandang entertainment with my vlogging, and hopefully, mas mag-improve pa tayo with our new member of our vlogging era, which is our DJI Osmo. So, ayun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!